Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's a little weird because I have you guys behind my rearview mirror again, so I can't really see my view of me. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. So Eva and I are gonna head to Truckee today. We are going to the train tunnels, caves, whatever you want to call them. Oh my gosh, my mind is so scattered today. With Christmas being a week out and I still haven't even Christmas shopped. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. But anyway, so we're gonna go up to Truckee and take pictures in the tunnels. Haven't really gotten to go on any adventures this last week. It's just too busy. Life is just too busy. But yeah, not bringing Murphy today. I did go up there with Murphy and Eva like a couple weeks ago, maybe a few months ago, and got really awesome pictures of them. And that's on my Instagram. It's them with graffiti behind them. Super awesome spot. There's some really nice artwork on the walls. So yeah, we're gonna go up there and just taking Eva today. It's just a lot easier with one dog. Here's the cons of having more than one dog is you feel really bad just bringing one all over the place, but the other two aren't trained or don't like the cold, and you try really hard to work with them and it just doesn't work. I don't know. Anyway, I'll probably come home and run with Murphy later to make things a little more fair. But I'm just hanging with Eva today. So anyway, I will turn the camera back on when I get there. We are here. I always forget that there's a parking lot right here. I park across the street. Come on. Ugh, it's awkward filming around people. I almost just fell. super awkward crowd, like really, really awkward. So awkward filming around people. Ugh, I look terrible. I've never actually like been this deep in these caves, but this is really, really cool. I'll have to show you. Look at that. Wow. Probably shouldn't stand right under that. Look at how cool. It's so icy in here. Okay, look at this big chunk of ice that I am trying to walk on. Not smart. Whew. All right. Okay. We'll have to find a good spot to set up the camera. Oh, it's cold. So icy. Hopefully you can see from here. I can't tell even though I have my glasses on. I'm gonna try and get pictures of Eva in here. Oh my god, it's cold. It's so icy. Eva. Eva, come here. God, she did it better on the side than I do. Come here, baby. Up. Hey. Sit. Probably couldn't see any of that. This place is so cool. Whew. My fingers are frozen. I always dress inappropriately when I come up here because Nevada, I know this is California area, but this area in Nevada, and I'm chopped off. This area is like really unpredictable as far as weather goes, especially around this time of year. When I went snowshoeing last week, it was really hot, like really hot, at the top of the mountain, at the summit. So I can never predict what the weather's gonna be like up here. Even though I looked at my weather app, still didn't know. Okay, moving on. Down the tunnel. Wow, this is really cool. I do have to say though that there's a lot of icicles up here and they make me really nervous. Is that irrational? She's having a ball. This is really creepy by yourself. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah, she's peeing. Okay, I'm gonna walk across this tunnel and I'm gonna turn the camera off here and then I'll turn it back on when I'm at the end. Okay, we finally made it to the end of the tunnel. Eva's cracking me up. What, baby? Hi. Hello. Hi. Oh, you scared? I had to turn my light on for my phone. Couldn't see anything, so I had to turn it off. That was the creepiest walk ever. Like, that's legitimately, like, down this tunnel is like where people get killed. In my head, I guess. Hi, baby. I really want to get a picture of her on this ice. So cool. Let's see if I can do it. There's a person coming. Oh, there goes my car keys and my phone. This is so cool. Look at that. Oh, wow. Beautiful. I don't want to slip. Oh my God, that is so beautiful. You're okay. You're okay. Come on. Eva, come. She does not like that guy. I kind of don't blame her. Look at that. I really have no idea what good graffiti is like. I just really like all the colors. That one's cool. Huh. Cool. Oh my God, I'd be terrified to stand up there. Wow. Okay. Can we just talk about how really cold it is up here? Oh my gosh. I brought this guy, my ear warmer. Really need this right now. I probably look really stupid, but I don't care. How silly do I look? I went to, oh my gosh, can't even see. I went to my Christmas party last night for the vet, and that's why my hair is all curled. I hate curling my hair, but what was I gonna say? It was a lot of fun. I was really anxious about it because everything makes me anxious, but it was actually really nice getting to know my coworkers, especially for this job, because this is in my opinion, it's a pretty serious job, especially when you're, doing, I mean, obviously I'm not doing the surgeries, but when you're doing surgeries or even involved in them, that's an animal's life on your hands. So it was just really nice to get to know the people that you're working a serious job with. I'm kind of just rambling, I guess. Look at this drop. Ugh, this really freaks me out with Eva. Oh gosh. Eva, come here. I'm gonna put her on a leash. Look at this. Oh my god, that's terrifying. So this makes me nervous because when Eva was, how old was she? She was about a year, just about a year, and I took her to Yosemite. Come here, baby. Come here. Sit. Sit. Good girl. I took her to Yosemite for Valentine's Day. Oh, baby. And that's when they don't have everything open. They only had like one path open there, and there were so many people. And Eva, when she's excited, she's not very good on the leash, which we're still working with on that. But there was a bridge, and I went with my ex, and she got excited when he stepped next to the bridge and she wasn't on a leash, and she jumped right off the edge, and that was probably like a 25-foot drop into an extremely shallow river, and she was like inches away from hitting a huge boulder, and nothing happened to her. She was totally fine, like 100% fine. Yeah, traumatized a little bit, but I couldn't believe it. I thought that was the last time I was gonna see Eva. So her and cliffs terrify the hell out of me. So yeah, there's my terrible story. Anyway, we're hitting some more caves. Hey, hey, she's so excited. She's pulling on the leash again. But here's these caves. Sorry if this video is kind of boring. I really wanted to make a video, but I wasn't really sure what I should do it of. But I figured this would be really cool. Oh my god, those colors are so awesome. Look at this. I work with this girl who came up here, and she saw this really awesome piece up here. I'm not exactly sure where she saw it though. And that's what I'm kind of hunting for, but I don't see it, and I'm not about to go down this tunnel. That first tunnel was terrifying enough. Hey, come here. Come here, baby. Now we can take this off of you. Okay, okay, good girl. So yeah, if that piece is not right here, then my hunt is over. Oh, gosh. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. Yeah, I don't see it. And I'm not going any further down this tunnel. Eva, baby, come here, honey. Come on. But look at her. She's so crazy. I am gonna get a picture of her next to this wall though, because those colors are freaking awesome. Baby, come here. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Damn. She just got her foot stuck right here. Yeah, definitely editing that out. She got her foot stuck right here and was screaming her ass off. You okay? You okay? Yeah, it's okay. You're okay. You're okay. Crazy. Gosh. German Shepherds are so dramatic. Okay, move your butt. You're okay. You're okay. Okay. All right, now we're gonna try and get pictures. Before all these people come, damn it. Okay, come here. shenanigans of how I get Eva's pictures. If you need to teach your dog how to stay, making them pose for pictures is the thing to do. I think I just dropped something. Nope. On my Instagram. Alright, this family's coming, so I'm gonna turn the camera off. It's so beautiful up here. How many times do I say that in all my videos? A lot. Yeah, I know you're excited, huh? Oh, yes. Okay, I don't know if there's another huge giant cliff over here, so that's why she is on the leash. Oh my gosh. Ooh, what's that? Is that a little hidden cave? Okay, Eva. Chill out. Okay, we made it to, I'm sorry. I look like really bad today. Please don't mind how terrible I look, but this view, this is awesome. Look at this. Yep. Excuse me. That is Donner Lake. I love Truckee. This place is so awesome. And you're being so good. Huh? Huh? Stay. Look. Oh gosh. It is so killer. Well, the nice thing about this lake is that it's not nearly as cold as Tahoe. So if you really want to swim, this is the better lake to go to. And it's not nearly as crowded as Tahoe too, which is really nice. I mean, now that a bunch of people have moved here, I'm not really sure, oh my gosh, I can't talk, how true that statement is anymore. I'm sure it's probably really busy in the summer, but I kind of opt to go other places in the summer now that it's so busy here. The crowds freak me out. I just can't do them. So I go other places now, so I wouldn't really know, but I'm rambling on again, so we are going to get out of here. Okay, so earlier I said Eva got her foot jammed in between a piece of wood and a rock, and I could have swore that I saw some splinters in her foot. So we're gonna just check that. Come here, stay. Or maybe it's just dirt. She's not limping or anything. But she screamed pretty loud. How's your Tootsie feel? You okay? Well, she's not moving and I'm squeezing it, so. You okay? See, we're okay. We're okay, we're just dramatic. Yep, just dramatic. Huh? Alright guys. Well, thanks so much for joining me on another adventure. Sorry if this one's not as exciting, but I think getting pictures in the graffiti is a lot of fun, and you can get some really awesome pictures. So I'm gonna post some on Instagram, which I will link below so you can follow me. But other than that, like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye guys.